Hello and welcome to this FortiADC's video on Agentless Application Gateway. FortiADC Agentless Application Gateway is an agentless remote access gateway built on FortiADC's Layer 7 reverse proxy engine. It provides secure, identity-aware, browser-based or native client-based access to internal applications, including RDP, WebSSH, WebVNC, WebTelnet, and internal web apps, through an authenticated web portal, without requiring any endpoint agent or VPN client. AAG also supports application publishing, allowing internal web applications to be delivered through the same authenticated portal. Let's take a look at the traffic flow of AAG. A user begins by opening a browser and navigating to the AAG portal URL. When the user submits login credentials, FortiADC sends an authentication request to the configured authentication servers such as LDAP or IDP providers. Once authenticated, the user sees an app portal containing app bookmarks that correspond to the resources they are authorized to access. After the user selects an app bookmark, FortiADC initiates and maintains the server-side connection to the backend resource, ensuring the internal servers remain protected and reachable only via the gateway. AAG acts as a Layer 7 proxy, securing and centralizing access without requiring VPN or endpoint agents, while keeping all backend systems isolated behind FortiADC. It terminates HTTP, HTTPS connections from the browser, and connects to backend hosts using native protocols including SSH, RDP, VNC, Telnet, HTTP, HTTPS. AAG supports native RDP where client connects to FortiADC using RDP. This allows full peripheral redirection, including clipboard sharing, device and printer support, and multi-monitor functionality. FortiADC AAG provides authentication and authorization. All identity checks occur directly at the AAG portal before any connection to backend systems is allowed. AAG supports local and remote user identity. It's compatible with major enterprise identity systems including LDAP, Radius, and SAML. AAG also supports strong authentication security through multi-factor authentication for remote Radius users. FortiADC dynamically extracts user attributes during authentication and uses them to direct each user to the appropriate backend. For example, an application in the portal may include an LDAP variable in its host name. When the user Tom logs in, FortiADC retrieves the value of LDAP.displayName from the LDAP server. When Tom clicks the application, FortiADC substitutes this value into the host address and connects him to the backend server, Tom.University local. When the user Mary clicks the bookmark, AAG performs the same to substitutes LDAP variable value into the host address and connects her to the backend server, Mary.Universal local. FortiADC's AAG goes beyond remote desktop access by enabling organizations to securely publish internal web applications through an authenticated, Layer 7 reverse proxy. Applications delivered through AAG are accessible only after user authentication. Users must log in to the AAG portal and select the web application bookmark to access the application. If a user enters the application URL directly in the browser, AAG automatically presents the login page first. After successful authentication, the user is redirected to the requested application. This approach keeps internal web services private while enabling seamless, browser-based access for remote users. To sum it up, FortiADC's Agentless Application Gateway unifies secure access to remote desktops, command line consoles, and internal web applications all through a single browser-based portal. With built-in authentication, Layer 7 proxy intelligence, and flexible integration with enterprise identity systems, AAG eliminates the need for VPN clients while keeping internal resources protected and invisible to the internet. For more information on using the AAG feature, refer to the deployment guide AAG Use Case, Role-Based Secure Unified Access Portal, available on the FortiADC documentation site. Thanks for watching.